I just bought a brand new lawnmower from Home Depot, and we're gonna install it or put it together, and see how this one did. My other one just burnt out. I mowed grass yesterday, and the new old mower just stalled like 3-4 times, and it was burning oil and smoking. So I'm just gonna get a new one, and that's what I did. Here, Jonathan, come and help me put it on. All right, here we go. This looks like the leaf catcher or grass clipping catcher, and looks nice. Brand spanking new. You gotta love it. You know, I'm gonna cut the box open to get it out. We got a quart of oil for it, and we're gonna take the wrap off the handle, and you know it'll never look this good. They only look this good when they're brand new, because the mowers, they get ugly quick after you start mowing the grass. Ooh, I don't know what they did. This bubble wrap glued it on or what? Here, Hayden, why don't you help me pull this off? Probably come around on the other side though. Now I'm just gonna hook the handle on. Here, Hayden, come on this side, help Daddy out. I'm going them 2 little slots. Pull the bolt out and reassemble it. Here, Hayden, put your side on. Hayden, go on this side and put your side on. You got to put it up in this slot hole for it doesn't spin. Loosen up a little bit. There's a little spot it goes in. Turn it a little bit. Oh, wait a minute. All right, there you go. All right, very good. All right, this is it's a self walker, because I'm getting old and these kids ain't into grass cutting yet, and I need something to help me push it or pull it along. All right, now we're gonna come on this side and put the oil in, or is it on that side? Oop, right here. And then the cord loops up and around like that. And then you got your oil. Should take a whole quart, but I'm gonna double check it and make sure it's not gonna overfill. You got 2 lines, empty and full. You wanna just make sure you're in between them. Make sure you check your oil on level ground. It's almost in the middle. So I'm gonna put the last little bit in here. I'm gonna double check it. You never wanna overfill it, because if you overfill it, it's gonna start smoking and it's just gonna not be good for your mower. Here, let me get a rag. And that's about right. Right almost on that second hole. So we should be good. And I have to go get gas because my cans are empty. So I'm gonna go down to the gas station and get some gas. All right. We'll see how long this mower's gonna last. It looks pretty sharp. It looks pretty neat, but it only stayed neat for a while. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was like a $440 lawnmower. It's gas. The electric ones are too expensive, so it's gas for me. All right, thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this video.